This is what the pipeline looks like, and I know it looks really simple. It looks homemade, because it is. I developed this several years ago so that I could stay honest with myself. One of the things we do as aggressive salespeople, optimistic entrepreneurs, is that we're very high-minded about our clients, and we always think if we're making the right calls, we're going to make enough sales. But chances are there will be a few clients that you're calling on who will never work out to be really good customers. And you need to know the people who are producing for you and those who are, quite frankly, wasting your time. This is the way to do it. The pipeline is so simple because it works really, really well just in this form. Some people have said, well, why don't you put it on an Excel sheet? Why don't you make an iPhone app for it? You could do that, but that means you have to get some other device to look at it. If you have it on this poster board with these simple post-it notes on it, it is over your desk every morning and it faces you every day when you come to the office. Here's how it works. The prospect is someone that you believe could be a good client. Put the post-it note up there with the date that you first identified that person. Maybe you met them at a networking function. Maybe you just read about them in the newspaper. Whatever leads you to believe that that could be a good client for you, he goes into the prospect column with your post-it note of the client's name and the date you first identified him as a prospect. Now, all of these columns can be anything you want them to be. I happen to say prospect, awareness, action, follow-up, and then client. You can say anything you want to. The first date you contacted them, whenever you had lunch with that person, whatever you want it to be, until it moves across the board. One of the things we know is that if we get too many post-it notes on this side of the board, which is preliminary, and we get nothing over here as client, that's when we are taking too much time with people who are never going to be customers. So we have the prospect and we have the date, we have the client's name. And when we have made a presentation, we move that, for instance, USPS, when they have awareness of us and they've expressed some interest in us, then we move it across the board. Artisanal cheeses, when we have made a presentation and we have called them and we have some interest in a specific client, a specific product that we have, we can move them across the board. And after we see them and we get agreement to start our program, whatever it is with Artisanal Cheeses, whether it's advertising, whether it's insurance, whatever product or service you sell, when you get that agreement and you get that signed, then they become a client. So that's how we want to move things across the board. It keeps you honest with yourself. And one of the things we know, which I have down here, the absence of yes over time is no. And if you are a manager of salespeople, this is an invaluable tool because each one of your people will have their pipeline over their desk. And you don't have to keep bothering them and asking them whether or not they are making the right calls, who they're calling on, where they stand with certain clients. All you do is you go to their desk and you look at their pipeline every day and you say, I know exactly what they're doing. I know exactly who they're calling on. So this keeps you honest with yourself.